Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench with my freshly sharpened cabinet scraper. One side I sharpened conventionally the way I was taught, and the other side I used the Accu-Burr. I got this from Taylor Toolworks. What I find interesting about the Accu-Burr is the carbide in the middle has 3 notches in it, and each of the 3 notches is in a wide wing formation. So like a wide V formation. And this was the Accu-Burr side, and this was Walter's conventional side. And this is a piece of unplaned quarter sawn cherry, which has some hidden checking right here. So who knows what that's going to do. So first, Walter's conventional scraping method. Making shavings. That's one side of my burr. And this is the other side. So they are curls, much like a planer shaving. Now, for the Accu-Burr side, I have a little A there. That's one side, one edge. And that's the other edge. Here too, planer-like shavings. Now, the interesting thing about the Accu-Burr versus Walter's conventional method, with my method, I have to draw out the edge on one side and then draw out the edge on the other. With the Accu-Burr, because of that wing shape, you put it on there and you draw it out all at once. And I did, first I tried the light one, and then I tried the medium, and then I tried the heavy. There's 3 grooves on there. Don't know if you'll be able to see it. There are 3 grooves on there. Light, medium, and heavy. I think that's what I'm calling it. Solid carbide, precision machined, and brass handles. So if you're in the market for a way to sharpen your card scraper, I'll leave a link down in the description box, and there is a longer video coming on how I actually set this all up. So that's all for today, except for the long video that's coming. Like, subscribe, and share. Cabinet scrapers, they're your best friend. Walter out.